Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, today we are going to create one robot ping pong game. Okay, so first I will run this project, I will show you. Okay,
Hey, I'm a robot. You,
so here you
hey,
need
I'm,
to just move this. Okay,
hey, I'm
see,
a robot. You,
so we
hey, I'm,
have a robot, we have some ball. If your ball will touch to this red line, your game will
hey,
stop.
I'm a robot. You can, hey, I'm,
So this is our game. We are going to create this game today. So for that, we will require some backdrop. So as you can see, this is a neon tunnel backdrop. You need to just go to choose a backdrop. You can select any backdrop from here. Okay. After that, we want to add a sprite. So we have to first add four balls. So we need to just go to choose a sprite, whatever sprite you want for your project you need to just select that. Okay, so as you can see we have four ball, one robot and one line, this line. So this is our sprite. We have four ball, one, two, three, four. We have one robot and we have one line. Now we will start a code for your ball. Every ball we have a same code. So once you will write a code in your ball one, you can just right click and duplicate this. So you will get one more ball. See, and every ball will move. Okay. So now we will start the coding for the ball. So first thing, as you can see, when flag is clicked. So what we want here, we want one point in direction for your ball point. See this, how the ball is moving in this 120 direction. Okay. So we once flag is clicked, so we want 120 degree. Instead of 120, even you can make it a 90 degree. So what you will get? You will get a straight 190. 90s. In the forever, so where you will get your forever, you need to just go to the control, drag and drop this forever. What we want to move this ball by 15 step. And if there will be edge, because here as you can see we have four edges. Okay. So if ball will come to any one of the edge, so what we want to do, we want to take a turn. See, right turn. So this we want for our ball. After that, when flag is clicked, in the forever, what we want now, if your ball will touch to this robot, so we have to change a score by 1. So for that, we need to go to the variable. We will make a variable, write on your variable name score. We have to create one more variable, which is your high score. And for this variable, we have to select cloud variable. Okay. So if your variable, whatever we have a score, if that is greater than your high score, whatever we have in a high score, so we want to set high score to the score, means whatever you will get in the score variable, this variable we are going to store inside the high score. Now second time once you will start this game, if your score is less than your high score, it means in high score you have your previous one. But if you will make high score which is greater than your high score, so whatever we have value in the score that we are going to store inside the high score. After that, we want to take a turn here. We have to just move 15 step and we need to just wait for a second. Okay. This is our second part for the ball. We have one more. When flag is clicked, initially we want a score with
hey, I'm
0.
a
See,
robot.
you will get 0 score. In the set x and y, we want -1 and -2. So this three part we have to do here. After that, even we can change a ball color, we can change a ball speed, everything. So what we have to do here, when flag is clicked in the forever, so for ball we have some costume. As you can see, we have some colors. Okay. So we want to change a costume. Like see,
Hey,
you
I'm a
will get a
robot.
different color
You can,
here. Okay. So this is a part we have to do for the ball. So in every ball, we have to do the same coding. For your ball 1, for ball 2, for your ball 3, and ball 4, ball 5. Instead of ball 4 and 5, even we can add 6 ball, 7 ball according to your choice. After that, we will see for the robot. So robot is very simple. In the robot, we have to follow the mouse. Okay. In the robot, we have to follow the mouse. So what we want to follow here, when flag is clicked in the forever, we have to set X to your mouse. Okay, because robot will move only in this position, not in Y, only in X. Okay, so here we want to follow the mouse. See, it is following my mouse. See,
Hey, I'm a robot. You
see,
can move the mouse and then the robot will move. The ball will bounce.
see. After that, we have to play some sound. So for this sound, you can record some sound. Even we can play a robot sound also. It will say best for 2 seconds and it will say enjoy for robot. Only we have to do two things. Now for line, what we are going to do when flag is clicked. So what we want here, if line will touch to your ball 3, ball 4, ball 1, ball 2, we have to stop everything. Only this much we have to do. If your line will touch to any ball, we have to stop the game. Only that much. Okay. So this is our overall robot game. Okay. Robot ping pong game. So please try this project. Share your project link in the comment section. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So try this project. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Nice to meet